The Sacredness of Work by Thomas Carlyle. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. The Sacredness of Work. All true work is sacred. In all true hand labor there is something of divineness. Labor wide as the earth has its summit in heaven. Sweat of the brow, and up from that to sweat of the brain, sweat of the heart, which includes all Kepler's calculations, Newton's meditations, all sciences, all spoken epics, all acted heroism, martyrdoms, up to that agony of bloody sweat, which all men have called divine. O brother, if this is not worship, then I say, the more pity for worship. For this is the noblest thing yet discovered under God's sky. Who art thou that complainest of thy life of toil? Complain not. Look up, my wearied brother. See thy fellow workmen there, in God's eternity, surviving there, they alone surviving. Sacred band of the immortals, celestial bodyguard of the empire of mind. Even in the weak human memory they survive so long, as saints, as heroes, as gods. They alone surviving, peopling the immeasured solitudes of time. To thee heaven, though severe, is not unkind. Heaven is kind as a noble mother, as that Spartan mother saying while she gave her son his shield, quote, "With it, my son," or "upon it," end quote. Thou too shalt return home in honor to thy far distant home, doubt it not, if in the battle thou keep thy shield. End of The Sacredness of Work by Thomas Carlyle. Recording by Robert Scott, mojomove411.com, mojomove411.com. September the 13th, 2007.